देखो हम इस पॉइंट पे थे ना, ये रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम सर्विसेज फ्रॉम ऑन 31st March 2019, opting for 60% commutation of pension and receive 2,40,000 as only terminal benefit. तो आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है देखिए, ये देखिए यहाँ पे commuted pension. See, uncommuted pension is always taxable, but commuted pension to private employee is exempted to a certain limit. Okay, so let us see what is that limit. Before writing the exemption, we will write how much amount is, I mean, how much amount we have received from employer in the name of commuted pension. So commuted pension is 2,40,000, which is already given in the question, that I have received from employer. While I was retiring, my employer asked me, how do you want your pension? I said, I want, he asked me 100% commuted pension you want or 100% uncommuted you want. Then I thought about that, and I decided to take, there is, suppose there is 100% pension. Okay, suppose take an example, 100% is 4 lakhs rupees. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, अभी तो आपको समझ में नहीं आया ना, तो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ 100% पेंशन है ना आपकी 4 lakhs है। इतने सालों से आपने जो सर्विस की है, योर पेंशन इज 4 lakhs rupees। ठीक है, अब 4 lakhs में से आपने कहा आउट ऑफ 4 lakhs you decided to take 60% as commuted pension. See, look at the question, look at this question. 60% is only commuted, rest 40% you have taken uncommuted, and uncommuted pension is always taxable. Okay, taxable has it to be, I mean, it is to be shown in the table right now while calculating the salary? No, because the year has ended. See, I am receiving the pension on 31st March 2019. No, on this date I'm receiving this pension. I mean, I'm retiring on 31st March. Okay. So on this date, what I am receiving is commuted pension. Uncommuted pension will start from next month, no? April, from April to 2019. And that comes in next financial year. I am concerned with up to only 31st March 2019. I am concerned with up to the date of 31st March 2019, the year ending. Commuted pension means regular monthly pension. So monthly pension will be starting from April month. I hope you understand, because on the last date of March month, I am retiring. So common sense that definitely I will be receiving the regular pension, that is uncommuted pension, that is monthly pension. I will start receiving it from the month of April. April, I don't have to count this April into my current financial assessment year. I'm calculating for assessment year 2021, not for 21-22. So my previous is concerned up to 31st March 2019. My previous year is up to here. Okay. So
Yes,
therefore,
ma'am.
yes. Therefore, what I will do is I will only show commuted pension. Okay. So commuted pension is 2,40,000. Okay. And less exempted under section 10, subsection 10A is half of the total pension. Now, word total pension is very, very, very important. Total pension, total. Total means now this 2 lakh 40,000 which was given in the question was not the total pension. It was just 60%. You decided to take 60% as commuted and 40% as uncommuted. Now, 60% is not 100%. No, 100% is total pension. Not total pension is not given in the question. So let us calculate the total pension. Very simple. Now, very simple formula. 2,40,000 is given in the question is 60%. Now, if this is 60%, what is 100% then? If this is 60%, what is 100% then? 4 lakh. Simple. How did we calculate? 2,40,000 is equals to 60%. Then what is 100%? Question mark. Cross multiply 2,40,000 into 100 divide by 60. So what is my 100%? What is my 100%?
4
Yes,
lakhs.
4 lakhs.
Ma'am, doing.
4 lakhs.
Yes, it would be 4 lakhs. So this is my total pension. 4 lakhs is
Yes,
my
ma'am,
total
4 lakhs.
pension. Now, what he says, without gratuity, we are on the second section, second chart में हम लोगों ने जो second part बनाया था ना, उस पे हैं हम. Remember the chart, okay? तो chart में हम लोगों ने second वाला क्या किया था? Without gratuity. Now, if it is without gratuity, half of the total pension is exempted. What is total pension? 4 lakhs. What is half of 4 lakhs? 2 lakhs. Now, 2 lakhs would be exempted. Bring 2 lakhs in the inner column, put it in the bracket. Because it is exempted, it would be deducted from the total amount that I have received from an employer. How much did I receive from employer? 2,40,000. How much would be exempted? 2 lakhs. How much would be taxable then? 40,000. Very simple. If out of 2,40,000, 2 lakhs is exempted, 40,000 will be taxable, no? Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm giving you time, you note down, and then we will continue. So let us look at the question. If it is done, और कोई point है इसमें? और कोई point दिख रही है आपको? नहीं दिख रही है. तो अब क्या करेंगे हम? देखो question में और कुछ रह गया क्या? हाँ, सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल टैक्स डिडक्ट करनी है.
निकालेंगे.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. तो पहले आप ग्रॉस सैलरी निकालेंगे. मुझे बताएंगे आप ग्रॉस सैलरी कितना है? हाउ मच इज योर ग्रॉस सैलरी?
1,71,305.
ओके, 1,71,305. वेरी गुड. 1,71,305. लिखा सबका आया 1,71,305. हो गया सबका?
मैम.
यस.
मैम एक बार बेसिक सैलरी का ही बता दो ना. मतलब बेसिक सैलरी का जो नीचे वाला है ना, वो वाला.
डियरनेस अलाउंसेस है, वो फुली टैक्सेबल होता है.
हाँ मैम, वही. मैं लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था ना नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से मैम.
डियरनेस अलाउंसेस है और 3,000 पर मंथ है, तो 3,000 इंटू 12 कर देंगे आप, और 36,000 आपका फुली टैक्सेबल हो जाएगा आउटर कॉलम में. ठीक है,
मैम
समझ आया?
3,000 इंटू 12.
यस.
हाँ मैम, 3,000
इंटू 12 becomes 36,000.
हाँ, 36,000.
So it
यस
will be
मैम.
fully taxable. DA हमेशा fully taxable होता है. Dearness allowance is
Yes,
always fully taxable. Outer column 36,000. That's it.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yes.
मैम बोनस भी था ना?
Bonus is 20% on salary and DA. So salary 60,000, DA 36,000. So 60 plus 36. How much in all?
96.
96,000 का 20% bonus. Fully taxable. So
4,80,000.
Yes. 4,80,000 will be fully
800.
taxed. Sorry.
800. 800 मैम.
4,800.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. So 4,800 will be fully taxable outer column. Anything else?
Thank you ma'am.
Anything else?
No ma'am.
Okay. So let us calculate gross salary. Gross salary is total of all the things that you have added in basic salary. Okay. So what is gross salary? 1,71,305. Now write down less deductions under section 16. The way it has been written in the, look at the screen. It will be easy for you then. Less deductions under section 16. Okay, come to the next line. Write down 16 subsection 1A, standard deduction. 16 subsection 1A, standard deduction. Now what is your actual salary?
60,000.
Yes.
60,000.
Yes, 60,000. So you will write actual salary 60,000. The way it has been written on the screen. Please look at the screen. 60,000 is written not in the inner column but in the particular column. Actual salary 60,000 or maximum. See the way it has been written on the screen. Maximum 50,000. Now next line, whichever is less. So what amount is the lower one?
50,000.
Yes. So you have to select.
50,000.
You have to select 50,000 rupees in the inner column. You have to select 50,000 and bring it to the inner column. Write it just same in, I mean, in the same column of where you have written, no, whichever is less. Same lane. So whichever is less, 50,000. Inner column. Okay. Second, 16 subsection 2. Look at the screen, you will come to know how it is written. Entertainment allowances. No, it is not given in the question. See, bracket. In the bracket, only then you have to make a bracket. When you have to make a bracket, you tell me. First, you tell me. I will note them. Whether you are right or wrong. कब ये bracket बनाना है? When you have to make this bracket, only when it is given in the question.
जब वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय नहीं
नहीं
हुआ
नहीं
तो
नहीं 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 जब भी क्वेश्चन में दिया रहेगा ना entertainment allowances, when in the question they are giving you entertainment allowances and you are not giving the deduction to him, only then this bracket has to be given. But here in this question, entertainment allowances is not there. Why you want to write he is a government employee, no deduction will be? अरे डिडक्शन तो तब देंगे ना जब एंटरटेनमेंट अलाउंसेस है या नहीं है. आई मीन है और हम दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे हैं वो अलग बात है. यहाँ पे तो एंटरटेनमेंट अलाउंसेस है ही नहीं. ब्रैकेट क्यों लिखना है?
हाँ मैम, क्वेश्चन में ही नहीं दिया.
हाँ,
यस मैम.
जब दिया जाएगा और हम नहीं दे रहे हैं डिडक्शंस, तब हम ब्रैकेट लिखेंगे कि बिकॉज ही इज नॉट अ गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय एंड देयरफॉर द डिडक्शन इज नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर हिम. It is only when it is given in the question and we are not allowing him to take the deduction. Okay. But now in this question, entertainment allowances is not at all given in the question. So why would you make a bracket and write we are not allowing? If it is not given, how would you allow? So no need to make a bracket. Simply write 16 subsection 2. 16 subsection 2, entertainment allowances, nil. It will be nil in the inner column. Nil in the inner column. This way. And next, 16 subsection 3, professional tax. Now, what is your professional tax? See, 7th point, 840 rupees. 840 rupees. Is it correct? Inner column 840 rupees.
Yes ma'am.
Now tell me the total of all the deductions. 1, 2, 3, all the deductions.
50,840. 50,840 rupees.
50,840 rupees. Now this amount has to be shown in the bracket. In the bracket. Because we need to deduct the amount. And then the final answer would be
1,20,501.
465.
repeat again. Repeat again.
I'm 1,20,465.
Okay. 1,20,465. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes ma'am.
So notes. Notes are pending. Huh? Notes. We have to write down notes when something is given in the question we have not considered in the statement. Okay. So is there any point which we have not considered and it is given in the question? Is there any point?
Provident fund.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth
Fourth.
Provident
fourth
fund.
point,
Fourth.
employee
Very good.
contribution
Write
to.
down note number 1. Write down employees' own contribution to RPF. Employees' own contribution to RPF. Employees' own contribution towards RPF is not an income. Is not an income. Therefore, not shown. Therefore, it is not shown while calculating the income from salary. While calculating the income from salary.
Ma'am, income from salary.
Yes, income from salary. Yes, done. Any other notes? You tell me. Any other notes? Any other note? और कोई ऐसी पॉइंट थी जिस पे हमको नोट लिखना था?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So I hope you all understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood, everyone? Yes, everybody. Okay, so let's begin with illustration number 7. Mr. Kuldeep is employed as a production manager in Aerolite Industries Limited since 1991. For the previous year, 1920, he had following salary particulars. Salary he is earning, see, up to 31st August, his salary was 8,000 per month. Then since 1st September, his salary got an increment. He got an increment in salary. Okay, he got an increment in salary. And that the increment was 1,000 per month. So total salary became 9,000 per month. His salary got increased, okay? After August, his salary got increased by 1,000 per month. Therefore, his total salary, monthly salary, is now 9,000 per month since September. Okay, I mean from September.
Yes, ma'am.
Dearness allowances are also given. City compensatory allowances bracket is the additional expenses, and remember, city compensatory allowance is fully taxable. So what is spent is not considerable. Okay, education allowances, we will look through this. Children and hostel allowances, we will also consider this point. Allowances to commute between residence and office, this is traveling allowances. To commute means traveling from residence and office, 1,000 per month, and the exemption is 9,600. Exemption is given, already given, okay? So the same way we will follow with the exemption amount. House rent allowances is given with the exemption. Fixed medical allowances, it is given, and remember, medical allowances are fully taxable. So something which is spent is not considerable because medical allowances are fully taxable. Entertainment allowances, 1,000 per month is given, fully taxable. Something which is spent has to be ignored because how much it is spent, I mean, it doesn't matter to me. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम डिडक्शंस तो आपको दे ही रहे हैं ना अगर आप गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय होंगे तो. एंड इफ यू आर नॉट अ गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय देन नो डिडक्शन विल बी अवेलेबल. सो अमाउंट स्पेंट इज टू बी इग्नोर्ड. Project allowances fully taxable. Overtime allowances taxable. Paternity allowances on birth of third child. Okay, आपको ना क्योंकि आप मतलब आप ऐसा होता है कि जब जब कोई एम्प्लॉय, समझो एग्जाम्पल, हाँ, एक एम्प्लॉय की वाइफ है, ठीक है, एम्प्लॉय की वाइफ है और वो मतलब थर्ड चाइल्ड उनको हो रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से बता रही हूँ. तो ना फादर को भी, मतलब देखो, सिर्फ मदर को ही नहीं, सिर्फ मॉम को ही नहीं मिलती है एम्प्लॉय, फीमेल एम्प्लॉय को ही सिर्फ क्या बोल सकते हैं, क्या होता है, लीव नहीं मिलती है, बट आजकल तो आपने ये भी देखा होगा कि मेल एम्प्लॉयज को भी लीव्स और अलाउंसेस मिलते हैं, तो उसे कहते हैं पैटर्निटी अलाउंसेस। पैटर्निटी मीन्स बोथ मदर एंड फादर, बोथ दे विल, आई मीन दोनों को एक साथ, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना लीव्स और अलाउंसेस, दोनों को एक साथ मिलते हैं। ओके, तो अगर आपकी वाइफ भी है जो मतलब प्रेग्नेंट हैं और यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से उनको थर्ड चाइल्ड हो रहा है, ठीक है, तो फादर को भी लीव और अलाउंसेस एलिजिबल होते हैं, तो कंपनी फादर को भी दे सकता है, ठीक है ना। अलाउंसेस और लीव की बात कर रही है, तो यहाँ पे लीव की तो बात नहीं चल रही है, खैर यहाँ पे बात किसकी चल रही है, पैटर्निटी अलाउंसेस। तो यहाँ पे पैटर्निटी अलाउंसेस ऑन बर्थ ऑफ थर्ड चाइल्ड इज 20,000, फुली टैक्सेबल होता है ये। ट्रैवल अलाउंसेस और टूर अलाउंसेस क्या है आपका, 23,000 है, बट अमाउंट स्पेंड कितना है, 21,000, ठीक है। उसके बाद है आपका मोटर कार अलाउंसेस, तो 2,000 पर मंथ है, अमाउंट स्पेंड इज 23,000। He has paid professional tax 4,000 during 1920. Okay, and now this is important. 1,000 is outstanding on 31st March 2020. तो जो 31st March 2020 पे आउटस्टैंडिंग है वो मुझे देखो मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया था, जो आउटस्टैंडिंग अमाउंट होता है उसका डिडक्शन नहीं मिलता। You will not get the amount of the deduction of that particular amount which is outstanding. Something which is paid can be deducted. Something which is still outstanding, how will you get a deduction? You have not paid. Why you will get deduction? The deduction amount is available only for those who have paid the amount. And so far the amount which is paid will be deducted from the income from salary. Is it clear? So 4,000 is paid. Therefore, 4,000 will be deducted and 1,000 which is outstanding will not be deducted. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are required to calculate income from salary for assessment year 2021. So let us start with SSC information. And the information has SSC, legal status, assessment year, previous year, PAN card number, write down everything. Now come to the next heading, and that would be computation of income from salary. Computation of income from salary. Now make 3 columns, particulars, inner and outer column. Write down, start with the question. Wait. Okay. So tell me, what is your basic salary? Now, basic salary is divided into 2 parts. Basic salary is divided into 2 parts. Up to August and from September. Or you can write this way. If you don't want to write this way, then you can write from April to August and next September to March. This is the way you can write. So you can make a bracket here. See, look here, up to 31st August, it is 8,000 per month. So you will make a bracket here, 8,000 into how many months? April, May, June, July, August, into 5 months. So 5 months, it was 8,000. 8,000 per month. That means for 5 months, it was 40,000.
63,000.
40, na?
Sorry,
8,000 into
40.
5.
मैम 40,000
हाँ मैम वो नीचे वाला
8,000
63,000 है.
8,000 into 5, 40,000. Now from September his salary was 9,000 per month. So we will make a bracket 9,000 into from September till March. How many months are there?
7.
7. Of course 7. Because from 12, out of 12, 5 is gone. So 7 is left, no? Oh, anyways,
3,000.
what is the amount? 9,000 into 7 is
63,000.
3,000. Okay. So 40
Total
plus
1
63. What is the total amount of salary of whole year?
3,000.
Whole
1 lakh
year
3,000.
salary is 1,03,000. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The way you have to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
is this way. This is the way. Correct? Now next. What is given in the next part? DA. DA always fully taxable 2,000 per month. So we will write here DA brackets 2,000 into 12 because per month is given and we want for whole year. So it would be 24,000, I suppose. Is it 24,000 correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. City compensatory allowance always fully taxable 1,000 per month. So you will write here CCA. Now bracket 1,000 per month. So what is for whole year? What is for 12 months? 12,000. 12,000. I hope you are writing. Now, educational
Yes, ma'am.
allowances 2,000 per month and the amount of exemption is already given 2,400. Now it is understood 2,400 means for 2 children because for 1 child it was 100 per month per child. So 100 per month means for 12 months means 1,200 and 2,400 is double of 1,200 means it is for 2 children. Okay. So it is understood 2,400 is for 2 children and therefore education allowance is 200 per month is given for 2 children, 100 per child. Okay. Anyways, if it is given then you don't have to think so much. How we will write here? Educational allowances. Educational allowances. You can make a bracket here. 200 per month. You are receiving 200 per month. So what is the amount of 12 months? What is the amount of 12 months?
2,400.
2,400. Very good. And how much is exempted? Look here. How much is exempted? Read it in the bracket.
2,400.
Yes. So it is fully exempted in short. Less exempted bracket given. In the bracket you can write given means already given in the question. So it would be 2,400 in the brackets. Why in the bracket? Because you have to deduct the amount. And the amount in the outer column will be. Can you tell me what is the amount in the outer column?
Nil.
Nil. Very good. So you have to show as nil. Nothing would be taxable because fully exempted. See, look here. Fully exempted. Can you see the same way? Yes. समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. हाँ, ma'am.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे देखिए. Children hostel allowances 300 per month and exempted is 3,600. So same way. Now no ये क्या बोलते हैं इसे? Same way लिखिए आप यहाँ पे. कैसे लिखेंगे? Children hostel allowances. Children hostel allowances. कितना मिल रहा है आपको children hostel allowances? पढ़ा हमने कितना मिल रहा है देखो.
Per month 300.
300 per month. Then exempted कितना है? 3,600. So 300 into 12 कितना होता है पहले वो बताएंगे आप.
3,600.
3,600. And coincidentally fully exempted 3,600.
Yes, ma'am.
3,600 is exempted. So outer column will be nil.
Nil.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now the next one. Allowances to commute between residence and office 1000 per month, and the exemption is 9600. So you will write here as leave travel allowances. Now what is leave travel allowances? 1000 per month. No? So what is 1000 for 12 months? What is 1000 for 12 months?
12,000. 12,000.
12,000. How much is exempted? How much was exempted? 9,600 is exempted. 9,600 is exempted. So after deducting, what is the taxable amount that would be shown in the outer column? Yes. What is the final amount that is taxable?
2,400.
Okay. 2,400, no? So I hope you understand how it has to be written. It should be
Yes, ma'am.
2,400. Okay. Next. What is next? House rent allowances. 4,000 per month and exemption 32,000. So here you will again write house rent allowances. Write down in the next column 4,000. How much it was? 4,000 per month. So how will you write this? 4,000 into 12. 4,000 into 12. So what is the amount you tell me?
48,000.
Yes. HR allowances mean